was going to share with y'all my extreme weather Hillbilly fashioned Coop survival, and they've done it with the grace of God, lots of prayer. But I mean, really, it's like, it stays warm enough in there that if I set a little ball of water in there, it don't freeze. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all, and let me start off by saying this. I got straw around the base, but I don't use straw inside because straw can hold moisture. So it's not the best. Listen to them cooing, they're going to sleep. That's Bunny. She's a talker. I'm going to back up and show you this contraption, and then I'll tell you all the details so you don't freak out and think they're going to smother. Whoa. It's pretty camouflaged. You wouldn't even know for sure what's in there, right? But that's their coop. It's like 4.5 by 8 basically. That's their ramp system. I built them. So what I've done is I just took hay and crammed all down around the bottoms. Around the bottom. But what I want you to know is this. All along, of course I waited too late. It's almost dark now. If I'd put a little light in there, you could tell. But all along, see, you can tell it's open up there. You see that? So that vents, okay? That vents the coop. So inside, this is their normal bedding. You've seen it in all the other videos. This is their egg baskets. There's a vent right there. They're venting all of them. But what I do is I keep all the moisture off of them. And just let all of their carbon dioxide, whatever they're putting off, it vents out the top. And they stay nice and warm. They're very cozy in there. And you can go back on my channel a couple years now, see my full video for what my coop looks like. It's the Hillbilly hen house. I literally put it together with pretty much every kind of scrap and secondhand wood I could find. The only thing new I used was I built a 3 foot up off the ground platform out of 4x4s and 2x6s. I built a platform out of that, and then I just framed everything else around it. Right now, like I say, you wouldn't even know for sure what's in there, but it's just happy little chickens going to sleep. It's cold, I'm out.